Hey y'all, I start my seasonal job next week, so I don't know when I'll be out here next or how often. So today my mission is to try and prep this place for winter, like see all these half logs I have. I want to cut them up into sections today, move them up so if I keep putting it off, they're gonna freeze, and then once spring comes, they're gonna be heavy, and the last thing I'm gonna want to do is clean up from last year. So I'm gonna try and get all these logs up here, get them covered with a tarp, and then maybe I could cut some more brush. But we shall see how the weather works and how tired I get. Let's do it. It's been wet and rainy here, so I'm gonna have to cut these into smaller sections than I have been. So if I make them too big, I won't be able to carry them. And hopefully this chainsaw will do good today. I'm starting to really like it now. Find a flat section for this guy. Branch in that spot. Fudge. Not ready yet. Ta-da! So I want you to go up this way. Trying to find a flat spot so it doesn't pinch the chainsaw. I think I'll be okay. This was a heavy part. I'm going to move this log up, and then we're going to move over that way. I have a cluster of trees here that I fell up there, and this is the tops of them. So I gotta try and do these guys now. It's gonna pinch it, maybe right there. Flip it. Maybe. Thank you. Oh yeah, there we go. maybe not that way. Nope, not yet. Sounds like it wants to though. Oh, see, it went the wrong way. Perfect, and I gotta cut this guy into two. Can you move? Not much. Alright, I'm going to haul these and then come back for that. I got to haul them in sections. I'm going to get tired out real quick. I won't be able to keep going, so I got to do it in sections. Put that one out of the way. And I got to do this one. I do have the other chainsaw up the hill in case I get this one stuck. It's just a matter of time until I get one stuck today. Chair. Not bad. Didn't get it pinched yet. I don't know if I gotta move the camera. Hang on. Don't hit me in the face, please. I think I'm gonna have to move the camera now. So I'm gonna hold those two pieces up, and I say up, the reason I have to do this in drills is to hold them up a hill. Here's this one, nice and cut right there for me. I don't know if I should take it out and cut it or just cut it from there. But it looks like I started cutting up here one time before, so I'm gonna see if I can cut through this part up here first. Get good footing, not easy. Alright. That one, we have to cut into two. I gotta figure this guy out. And again, I don't want to pinch the chainsaw if I can help it. Feel that heavy, it's not too wet. Let's try cut it like this. Ooh, shy is a big hole. Alright, weed. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, I gotta move these sections and try and do those guys next. I'm tired. If you look behind me, here's all the logs that I moved up today. There was only 4 when I got here that I moved up here last time. So yeah, I hauled all those up. When I say up, this camera never does it justice. I need to bring a tennis ball out here one day and just show you how much it does slope and just let it roll. But I have those 2 trees on the ground over there that I need to do next time. They're at least on the border of the property. And I look around and I see so many more trees that I just want to fall. But I'm gonna wait till I get my new chainsaw. And I have to take care of those guys first. I don't want to get ahead of myself and make extra work. So I need to cut those guys into sections before I fall anymore, because there's going to be a lot more trees that need to come down. I'm not sure if I'm going to call it a day, because last time I went down, way down there, still haven't found the creek. There's one down there somewhere, just haven't made it there yet, and I'm kind of hoping I don't mind if it is out further, because that means I'll finally have some flat ground on my land. But I might cut this piece right here in half and then try and split it. We do have an electric splitter, but I've never tried to split it with like a split and maul, so I might do that. That I want to turn into a bench someday. Hopefully it's still salvageable. But yeah, I just got to cool down, take a break, fill up my water, and then see what I want to do next. So I'm probably not done for the day. It's just figuring out where to start. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm tired and I'm done for the day. I'm calling it quits. After I took a break, filled up my water, I'm like, I'm gonna come over and try and split a log. So I was able to finally cut a chunk off of that guy right there. I went to go get an axe and my dad is taking a nap. So I don't know where the axe is and I'm not gonna wake him up. So next time I come down, I'm gonna try and split that. It's probably not that big of a deal, but just something I've never done, and I just want to try it and see if I can do it. So yeah, I'm real tired from hauling all that wood. I moved some of it in front of the wood shed, and I'm also going to have to build another wood shed to hold all this wood. So I have a lot of thinking and planning to do while I'm working. But yeah, next video, hopefully I can split that. I'll at least know where an axe is, and you can at least get entertainment of watching me try to split it. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all of you.